Welcome to the incredible coastal city of Akko. Today, we're going to be exploring this amazing place, and I'll be showing you, together with Beni, the incredible secrets of this amazing place. From 2,500 years ago, the time of the Persians, the Greeks, Akko was the mighty gateway into the Holy Land.
There is no many places where you actually can touch some ancient weapons that are not in a museum.
And to attack a city and to defend a city, you need weapons. And here, you can see the cannonballs.
And what is cool about cannonballs? Look at this. Oh my God, that's heavy. I'm touching it. It's like 200 years old. That's crazy. This one, it's like, I don't know, about 20 kilos, something like this, 45 pounds, something like this. Huge cannonball, shoots and break wall. This is insane. I'm touching real cannonballs. Let me take it to the cannon. So this is the cannon that this cannonball fits in. Look at this. And then the only thing I need to do is to find the hole right here. We'll fill up the gunpowder and light, and it will shoot. Enemy, prepare! So we are in the Crusaders' fort in Akko.
The Crusaders conquered Akko in 1104 AD, 1104 CE. And right now, we're together inside the Hospitaller fortress.
Like every good Crusader's fortress, we need to have a way to get out of it without nobody knowing. Follow me into this secret passage. Where do I go? Where do I go? This is very complicated. Try to imagine whoever controlled the sewage system was a person that controlled the biggest amount of trade. If two different orders of knights would be in a fighting condition or will have something that they don't agree about or some kind of a clash, but they do want to make peace and don't lose face in front of their followers, they will need a way that the other leader will come to visit them without anybody knowing. I'm gonna go out here. I have a meeting in the crypt of this secret church.
We're just outside the Mosque of Al Jazzar. Al Jazzar was the ruler of Akko at the end of the 18th century. It's believed that he was actually a Bosnian convert to Islam that became a mighty ruler here in this area. Let's head inside his beautiful mosque.
So, in the Islam, before you're going to the mosque, you're starting with a fountain. By washing your feet, washing your hands before you can pray. It's a beautiful, beautiful fountain made out of marble, and it has water opening. It's almost like a key. Then you wash all your hands, up, face, and foot.
If you look towards the front, you can see the timings for the 5 prayers of Islam each day. You can also see the mihrab, which denotes the direction of prayer south, what's known in Islam as the Qibla, the direction of prayer south towards Mecca.
It's also have one of the most amazing relics in the Islam, and that's a piece of hair from Muhammad's beard.
Absolutely beautiful mosque, covered in a beautiful green from the outside, and really a symbol of Akko.
So once a year, there is a whole demonstration starting from the mosque, going with this relic around the town of Akko. And this is a time you want to be in Akko.
Welcome in hummus Said.
That's the best part of our job.
We're here in an Akko institution, hummus Said. They make in the morning pots and pots of fresh hummus. Here I've got masabacha, here I have hummus with the chickpeas on top. They make a whole pot in the morning. It's traditionally a breakfast snack. People come in really early, and when it goes, it goes. So you've got to get there before there's none left.
So now I'm going to teach you how do you eat hummus. And it's called, in the Hebrew, lenagev, means to wipe.
Right over here we have masabacha, which is, you can see, with the whole chickpea still in there, mixed up with the trina.
So you take a piece of pita. Pita have a pocket, so you open it a little bit. You take the hummus and you wipe it like this.
And here we have more conventional hummus. Really, really smooth, beautiful blend with the olive oil and the chickpeas on top.
It's creamy. You have the perfect balance of taste. I love it.
And it goes down great with a fresh warmed up pita, the vegetables and the local olives.
By the way, oh my God. When you wipe, there are two types of wipers. Ones that doing it with a round, like I did, and ones that doing it straight.
And if you really want it the way it's supposed to be, you got to put some harif, some spice with it as well.
What can I tell you? If you do it straight or if you wipe it with the round, it means something about you. I can tell you what. Go and Google it.
Bon appetit, bete avon.
Okay, I'm going to jump over there. This is fucking scary. I have Abed here. He's the master. He's gonna teach me where to jump, but he's the man on the wall. Here you go. So Abed, where do I'm jumping? Okay. I need to do it now. And okay, holy crap, I'm scared. It's pretty high, so Zamok. Okay.